In the darkest trench of the Atlantic, a battle for ocean supremacy is about to unfold. But from the myths of the deep comes the Leviathan, a serpent of terror. Do you need more videos like this? Press the button and subscribe to AAW. The ocean giants sense something unnatural. Predators are near. The shark strikes with lightning speed, the ocean trembling with its hunger.
But Leviathan rises, an ancient serpent unwilling to share its domain.
Teeth sink deep, yet the serpent does not yield. It tightens its crushing embrace, determined to strangle the beast. The Megalodon thrashes with unstoppable fury, shaking the trench itself.
With a death roll, the shark rips through the serpent's grip.
A venomous strike blinds the hunter, turning rage into desperation. But Leviathan is cunning, dragging its rival deeper into the abyss.
The battle becomes chaos, teeth against scales, coil against bone.
In this abyss, victory is never certain, only survival.